it's time for some new lights in here. It's getting awful dark in here. Good afternoon, everyone. I've been wanting to do something with the shop lights for quite some time because the bulbs are getting older and it's getting darker and darker in here. And the GGJIA company sent me some new light fixtures. So let's get these unboxed and let's get them installed. So these are 100 feet long, LED bulbs, and they should be hanging up. Not a problem. I could put a couple of them together if I wanted to, but let's hang these up and see what it looks like. Okay, I got these laid out on the floor and it looks like they're pretty bright. So hopefully this will add a little bit more light in here. I want to see the difference between just these lights and the lights I got on the wall already. Because the shop is 25 feet wide, 50 foot long. I'm going to be hanging them from the top of the steel right there. And I'm making my own S-hooks out of 8-inch steel rods. So I'm going to be cutting them and bending them myself. So I'm going to cut this rod about 4 inches. It should be pretty decent for a hook. Yeah, that should work out nice. That'll set in like that. Okay, so I bent this hook a little bit tighter so it'll hook in there nice without it hanging off. Yep, I think that's going to work out good. There's a nice little gas line here, so it's kind of in my way. Bend around it. Should work out pretty decent. That's the easier way of doing that. That is definitely brighter from this side to that side. Definitely brighter. Well, time to hook up the rest of them. Yeah, that's better. So I replaced 7 fixtures with 2 bulbs each in with 10 bulbs. And I got light back here farther. So I'm going to leave this a little while, but I believe I'm going to end up moving that light fixture back here because I don't really need nothing up there in the corner because I got the garage door that opens up, and put 2 bulbs in the back there shining this way, give me a little more light back there. The breaker box is over there in the corner. You never had too much light at the breaker box. But yeah, I'm happy with these. Very happy. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank the GGJIA company for sending these light fixtures, because my life's a whole lot brighter and clearer in the shop now. And there will be a link in the description for these lights with a 10% discount. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one.